Hello, welcome once again to Geometric Virtual Learning, Lesson 4 on Similar Shapes. I welcome new viewers as well. In this lesson, I'm going to take you through exam-style questions where you are asked to show possible two solutions to a missing length and also state assumptions to support your working out. That's what we're going to go through today. So this is an example of such a question. We have triangle ABE and ACD in a diagram, and they are similar, and there are two possible values of x, and we are supposed to work out the two possible values and state any assumptions that we make in our working out. So we first start by stating that EB is parallel to CD. So initially it was bare like that, so you need to state your assumption by putting the parallel line symbol to show. And when that happens, it means that angle B is equal to angle C, and angle E is equal to angle D, and A is common to both. When that happens, you can do your normal way of working out your scale factor, whereby 12 corresponds to this line 15, and 8 corresponds to the whole line. So we can work out the scale factor by dividing the full length of AD by AE. So we have 5/4. To work out x, because x is part of AC, we work out full AC and take our answer, 8 from our answer. So this is treated in lesson 1 when we went through similar shape first time. So I suggest you watch that first. So we have 8 times 5/4, that's 10. The whole AC is 10, therefore BC or X is equal to AC minus AB, and that gives you 2. So this is the number 1 where we compare corresponding sides. The other consumption is where you state that AC rather relates to AE and not AB. So AC relates to AE and AD relates to AB. And that relation will lead to a different scale factor. So the scale factor will now be AD divided by AB. This is what we have, 15/8 as the scale factor. And if you want to work out x as usual, we need to work out AC. But AC relates to AE. So we multiply AE by our scale factor. We'll have 22.5. So if AC is 22.5, we take 8 from it, and that gives us 14.5. So our two answers are 2 cm and 14.5 cm. So this is how we answer such a question. Let's look at another similar example. Same principle. We have x. We need to work out what x is and state the assumption. Please check if these numbers are not on the diagram. You need to read and put them down. So AD is 10, AE 15, EC 6, DB X. So you need to always read and put information in the diagram. So we start first with the assumption that ED is parallel to CB. And therefore, we need to work out our scale factor. If that is the case, we can divide AC by AE. AC is 15 plus 6. So our scale factor will be 21/15, simplified as 7/5. So if we want to find x, we can work out full AB and take 10 from our answer. But to get AB is this 10 or AD times by the scale factor. So 10 times 7/5 is 14. Knowing AB as 14, DB or X is 40 minus 10. That gives us 4 cm for our first assumption. This is what we have as X. Next assumption, we say AC relates to AD and AB relates to AE. So to find our scale factor, we are going to divide AC by AD. So we have 21/10 which is 2.1. 2.1. Now, if you have two, you can leave it or make it 2.1. If we want x, we want to work out full AB. But AB relates to AE, which is 15. That's why we multiply 15 by the scale factor 21 over 10. That is 31.5 cm for the full length of AB. So 10 from 31.5 gives us 21.5. So our answers are 4 or 21.5 cm. Now try this yourself. When you're ready to play, when ready to check your answer, play and see if you got it right. Okay, let's check. First assumption, so scale factor 35 over 5 is 7. To work out x, let's work out AG. 7 times 7, 49, and take 7 from 49. So our first answer is 42, based upon our assumption here. Second assumption, EG corresponds to BG, and FG corresponds to AG. Okay, so our scale factor now will be 35 divided by 7. That gives us 5. And if we know scale factor to be 5, to find FG, we are going to use 5 and not 7. 5 times 5 is 25. So full FG is 25. Take 7 from 25, 18. So the possible two solutions are 42 cm and 18 cm. And that is the end of lesson 4. Watch out for lesson 5, where we do problem solving using algebra in similar shapes. Lesson 5 will be problem solving problems, questions involving algebra using similar shapes. Thank you very much. Share with your friends.